It's the lack of focus. Whatever we focus on the longest becomes the strongest. We can get all caught up daily on the hang-ups. We can get caught up daily on the drain things, the things that are taking us further away from our goals and dreams. Guys, business is this. It's whatever it takes, but you have to stay focused on the main things. So I would say today to figure out what are my main things that I need to be spending most of my time doing every day. Because most people are running here and there and pretending to be running a business. And they're busy, but they're not really running their business. Either you're running around and you're operating your business, you're working in your business or on your business. Make sure if you're focused, you know what your main things are. And if you know what your main things are, then what you're doing is you're spending your time now, you're working on your business. And that's where we want you to spend most of your time. That means you got to get a basic, simple plan of action, get you a daily list, a to-do list, and then be willing to do something every day your competition don't or won't, period. Be willing to do something every day your competition don't or won't. And that means you have to get up a little earlier than your competition. That means you may have to go to bed a little later than your competition does. It may mean you make a few more sales calls than your competition does. It may mean you spend more time developing your sales pitch, your elevator pitch, your business story, your business strategy than your competition does. It may mean you attend more networking events than your competition does. It may mean you have some reach out campaigns, and instead of waiting for someone to call you, you're calling them. Instead of waiting for someone to come to your website, you're actively posting content out there to draw people in. And you're always as a business, remember this. Remember that you're giving more than you're receiving. Selling business is simple a transaction. You're trading your products or services for their hard-earned money. A successful business always provides more value and more service than they get in exchange for the money. So what that means is you're providing more value and service than the customer even expected in the first place. You're coming in at the end and you're delivering everything that you said that you're gonna do when you say you're gonna do it. And if you do that, you're gonna have people that want to tell other people about your business. You're gonna have word of mouth, and people buy off of the approval of others. So as you're expanding your business out there and you're growing it, and you just got the goal and dream and the vision, and you're taking that goal and dream and vision and you're putting it into plan and you're making it a reality, realize that just dive in, go as far as you can see. Stay focused on your target, stay focused on your plan. Stay focused on the small things that you need to do every day, because input, remember this, input always equals output, ... eventually. It don't happen immediately, but if you keep putting in, you bring the pipeline in, then eventually the pipeline's gonna flow, and it's gonna keep flowing, and as long as you keep putting in, it's gonna keep flowing, and you're gonna get, and you're going to achieve the results you desire.